constant is 42, so 1 into 42, 42, factorize it, 1 and 42, 2, 21, 3 and 14, उसके बाद 6 and 7. Here we have to split 13x so that sum is 13x and product is 42x square. Here 6 and 7, so x square minus 6x minus 7x equal to 13x plus 42 equal to 0. Imply that take x as common, x common लिया आएगा x minus 6. Here take minus 7 in this two term ले लिया आएगा कॉमन लिया तो क्या होगा x minus 6. Here minus 7 into x minus 7x minus 7 into minus 6 plus 42 equal to 0. Imply that here x minus 6 is common, x minus 6 common लिया आएगा x minus 7. Imply that here x minus 6 equal to 0 or x minus 7 equal to 0. Imply that x equal to 6 or x equal to 7. So therefore the roots of the given quadratic equation or equation are 6 and 7. X square minus 14x plus 24 equal to 0. Here the constant is 1 and the constant is 24 and the coefficient of x is 1. So 1 into 24, 24 factorize it, 1 and 24, 2, 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. So we have to split 14x. Here 2 and 12. So imply that minus 2x minus 12x equal minus 14x plus 24 equal to 0. Imply that here x take it common, so x common लिया तो आएगा x minus 2. Here take minus 12h common, minus 12 common लिया आएगा x minus 2 equal to 0. Here x minus 2 is common, so x minus 2 common लिया तो आएगा x minus 12 equal to 0. Imply that here x minus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 12 equal to 0. Imply that x equal to 2 or x equal to 12. Therefore the roots of the given quadratic equation are 2 and 12. X square minus 15x plus 44 equal to 0. Here the constant is 44 and coefficient of x square is 1. So 1 into 44, 44. Factorize it, 1 and 44, 2 and 22. उसके बाद 4 and 11. Here we have to split 15x so that their sum is 15 and product is 44. Here the two terms is 4 and 11. So x square minus 4x minus 11x equal to 15x and plus 44. Write down it. Then here x is common in this two terms. So layer x minus 4. Take minus 11 as common in these two terms. So minus 11 common लिया तो आएगा x minus 4 equal to 0. Imply that here x and x minus 4 is common. X minus 4 common लिया आएगा x minus 11 equal to 0. Imply that x minus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 11 equal to 0. Imply that x equal to 4 or x equal to 11. So the roots of the given quadratic equation are 4 and 11. X square minus 13x plus 30 equal to 0. So split. Here the constant is 30 and coefficient of x is 1. So 1 into 30, 30. Factorize it, 1 and 30 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. So here we have to split 13x, so that product is 30 x square. So here the two terms means 3 and 10. So x square minus 3x minus 10x equal to minus 13x and plus 30 equal to 0. Implies that here x is common, x common लिया, x minus 3. here take minus 10h common, minus 10 common लिया, आएगा x minus 3, minus 10 into x minus 10x minus 10 into minus 3x plus 30. Implies that here x minus 3 is common, x minus 3 common लिया, here x minus 10 आएगा. Implies that x minus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 10 equal to 0. Implies that x equal to 3 or x equal to 10. So the roots of the given quadratic equation are 3 and 10. Okay. X square minus 16x plus 39 equal to 0. Here the constant is 39 and coefficient of x is 1. So 1 into 39, 39 factorize it, 1 and 39, 3 and 30. So the two sums are 3 and 13. So here x square minus 3x minus 13x equal to minus 16. Write down 39 here equal to 0. Implies that take x as common, x common लिया तो आएगा x minus 3. here take minus 13 h common, so minus 13 common लिया तो आएगा x minus 3 equal to 0. here x minus 3 is common in these two terms, so x minus 3 common लिया आएगा x and minus 13 equal to 0. Imply that x minus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 13 equal to 0. Imply that x equal to 3 or x equal to 13. So the roots of the given quadratic equation are 3 and 13. X square minus 17x plus 70 equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant is 72. So 1 into 72, 72 factorize it, 1 and 72, 2 and 36, 3 and 24, 4 and 18, 6 and 12. उसके बाद 8 and 9. Here the two terms 8 and 9 such that their product is 72 and sum is 17. So x square minus 8x plus 9x, minus 9x minus 8x plus 72 equal to 0. Here minus 8x minus 9x minus 17x. So take x as common, x common लिया आएगा x minus 8. here take minus 9h common, minus 9 common लिया तो आया x minus 8 because minus 9 into x minus 9x minus 9 into minus 8 plus 72. So here x minus 8 is common, x minus 8 common लिया आएगा x minus 9. Imply that here x minus 8 equal to 0 or x minus 9 equal to 0. Imply that x equal to 8 or x equal to 9. So therefore the roots of the given quadratic equation are 8 and 9. 2x square minus 13x plus 21 equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is 2 and the constant is 21. So 2 into 21, 42. Factorize it, 1 and 42, 2 and 21, 3 and 14, 6 and 7. We have to split 13 so that product is 42 and sum is 13. So this is the two terms 6 and 7. So 2x square minus 7x minus 6x equal to minus 13x and plus 21 equal to 0. Imply that take x as common, x common लिया तो 2x minus 7 and here take minus 3h common, minus 3 common लिया आएगा ये 2x minus 7 equal to 0. implies that 2x minus 7, यहाँ ये दोनों में कॉमन है, सो 2x minus 7 कॉमन ले आएगा x minus 3 equal to 0, implies that 2x minus 7 equal to 0 और x minus 3 equal to 0, implies that x equal to 7 by 2 equal to 0 equal to 3.5 और x equal to 3. So therefore the roots of the given quadratic equation are 3.5 and 3. 4x squared minus 14x plus 10 equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is 4 and the constant is 10. So 4 into 10, 40, factorize it 1 and 40, 2 and 20, 4 and 10, 5 and 8. So here the two terms is 4 and 10. So their power is 40 and sum is 14. So 4x square minus 4x minus 10x plus 10 equal to 0, implies that take 4x h common, 4x common लिया तो x minus 1, here take minus 10h common, minus 10 common लिया तो x minus 1 equal to 0, implies that here x minus 1 is common, x minus 1 common लिया आएगा 4x minus 10 0. So here x minus 1 equal to 0 और 4x minus 10 equal to 0, implies that x equal to 1 और x equal to 10 by 4 equal to 2.5. So therefore the roots of the given quadratic equation are 1 and 2.5. Okay, 3x square minus 14x plus 11 equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is 3 and the constant is 11. So 3 into 11, 33. So factorize it 1 and 33, 3 and 11. So the two terms are 3 and 11. That sum is 14 and the product is 33. So split कर दिया 3x square minus 11x minus 3x equal to minus 14x plus 11 equal to 0, imply that here take x as common, x common लिया तो क्या हुआ, here 3x minus 11 आया, here take minus 1 as common, minus 1 common लिया तो आएगा ये 3x minus 11 equal to 0. Here minus 1 into 3x minus 3x minus 1 into minus 11 plus 11. So here 3x minus 11 is common, 3x minus 11 common लिया क्या x minus 1, x minus 1 equal to 0, imply that 3x minus 11 equal to 0 और x minus 1 equal to 0. x equal to 11 by 3 or x equal to 1. Therefore the roots of the given quadratic equation are 11 by 3 and 5x square minus 13x plus 6 equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is 5 and constant is 6. So 6 into 5, 30. Factorize it 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. We get the two terms 3 and 10, so that their product is 30 and sum is 13. So 5x square minus 3x minus 10x plus 6 equal to 0. Here minus 3x minus 10x minus 13x. So here x is common in these two terms, ले लिया तो आएगा 5x minus 3. Take minus 2h common, minus 2 common लिया आएगा ये 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Imply that here 5x minus 3 is common, 5x minus 3 common लिया आएगा x minus 2 equal to 0. Imply that 5x minus 3 equal to 0 और x minus 2 equal to 0. Imply that x equal to 3 by 5 और x equal to 2. So therefore the roots of the given quadratic equation are 3/5 and